cooking time. All organic vegetables. String beans or sitaw, bitter gourd, ampalaya, or krili, they call it here in their dialect here in Kashmir. And eggplants, talong, or vegan. And this is sponge gourd, patola, or tori. And this is paprika. This is not chilies. No chilies of this one. It's sweet because it's this is paprika. And onions, garlics, and this is flake chicken, tomatoes. So I will cook this one just I saute and it's like pinakbet. So start na tayong maggisa because hot is already oil is already hot. Now first we put this garlics. Ayan, lahat organic ito. And last night nagluto ako ng chicken clay or chicken curry. So I removed 2 slices here. 2 pieces, then I make flake chicken, this one. Para may naman. This is only saute. Just I will saute only with little oil. 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we can put now this onion. Pinakbet, but there is no bagoong alamang or bagoong isda. So it's no problem. Yesterday I harvested this one, all this eggplants, but I did not 3 pieces only I put eggplants here, and string beans I put all, and this one bitter gourd may tinira ako doon kasi lulutuin ko na yung version nila dito, krili curry. So bukas ko na yon lutuin. Ito yung aking lulutuin kasi meron akong naluto kagabi for dinner. So pwede pa ito until dinner. Now we'll add now also tomatoes and flake chicken. This is for my lunch because time check is already 11:10 a.m. Now we can add now this string beans or sitaw. Now we'll cover it. Then next I will put this one and also eggplants and sponge gourds. You see it's already umitim na, so maya ilagay ko na. Now we can add now this bitter gourd. Ayan. Mikos-mikos na luto. Madali ang pagluluto. And also this one, eggplants. Ayan, di ko na tinanggal yung yung tangkay. Ayan, oh. And then next na din itong sponge gourd kasi umitim na, oh. Ayan. Oh. At saka itong green chilies or paprika. Ayan. So cover natin slow fire lang para hindi masunog. Luto na ito, kaya dagdagan ko ng konting sabaw kasi luto na. So lagyan ko ng konting gravy. Kunti lang para may naman pang sabaw sa kanin. Ayan. So lagyan ko din ng konting asin. Ito lang yung aking seasoning, only salt. No China salt or Ajinomoto or Bitsin or Magic Sarap. Only this salt. Di ko na nilagyan ng soy sauce. Ito lang. Salt lang. So tama na itong sabaw niya. O dagdagan ko konti. Ayan. So cover natin. Pag kumulo na ay luto na. Check natin. Ayan, luto na ang aking pinakbet. All organic vegetables, eggplants, bitter gourds, sponge gourd, paprika, string beans, and what is more? O yan lang, ito yung mga organic vegetables. So ayan, luto na. Tama na lang yung sabaw niya. Oh. Ayan, may pinakbet. Kain tayo ng lunch. Ito yung plain na plate. Ayan ang bigat. White rice and pinakbet or dinengdeng with plantain banana dessert.